she's trying.
She's trying to roll over.
She's trying.
Come on, buddy, you can do it. Oh.
You can do it. Come on. Oh, so close.
Oh.
You getting frustrated? Come on, you can do it. Yeah.
You can sound into her.
Almost. Almost. Don't, it'll taint the first rollover. Come on. You're okay. You're so close, buddy. When she gets really frustrated on her tummy too. I don't know how frustrated to let her get. Because when she gets frustrated, that's when she starts like really doing stuff.
It's like her torso is turned, but
You're almost over. You're almost over. You're gonna dislocate your shoulder if you don't just flip.
oh,
Oh, oh.
Oh my gosh!
yay!
Go, Leah!
Good job.
And I got it. I got it. Yes.
Good job, Leah Bear. You saw her first roll. Welcome to Charlotte.
Yay, Leah.
Good job, buddy. Very impressive.
She did!
Yay.
Where's her?